Hi, today we are going to learn how to create a resume in Photoshop. So let's get started. First of all, open an A4 sized page in Photoshop and roughly mark your desired layout using the ruler. Then using the rectangle tool, draw each shapes as per the design. And change the colors accordingly. Using the text tool, type your name and the post that you are applying for. I'm using the exact same dark blue color for my fonts also. You can copy and paste the hex value to make all the text color similar. By the way, I'm using Ctrl-J to duplicate layers and Ctrl-T to transform the layers. I'm using some icons to make the resume much more appealing. You can download your desired icons as PNG from Google. Always try to download PNG files. Otherwise you have to remove the background in Photoshop. For coloring the icons, I'm using Magic Wand tool and using Paint Bucket tool. You can fill the selected region with any color by simply clicking on it. If your icons have any loose parts such as an Instagram logo or something, it's better to uncheck contiguous option on the top of the screen. For the texts and symbols in the dark blue part, I'm using white color font. I have downloaded some hobbies icons also. Using the lasso tool, I'm cutting the icons and masking it using the mask option. repeat the same procedure as many times you want. I'm using it only 3 times. I think it's the better time to save the file. For the skills section, I'm trying to showcase the skills as graphical method. For that, I'm using the rectangle tool without fill and in another rectangle inside it with fill and border as white. Transform the inner rectangle for your each skill set accordingly. For About Me and Employment History sections, I'm using a script that written by ChatGPT. You can use your own. I'm making the company name a bit bigger and bold. Also, I'm thinking it may look nice if we add company location on side with a symbol. For the educational institution's name, I'm using a combination of rectangle and a triangle to create a background. Finally, save a copy as your desired format. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Thank you.